Do you want to know how to get paid instantly from Rewards1? Then this video is for you. My name is Legend, and today on this video, I'll be showing you guys inside out of Rewards1 because I got a lot of messages from a lot of users talking about an update and review on Rewards1. And so today, I'll be showing you guys inside out on what Rewards1 is all about, how to work on Rewards1 and get paid instantly. So, right here on my screen, as you can see this, guys, we have Rewards1 being here ever since 2007. This actually makes it one of the oldest survey sites ever. I mean, amongst survey sites that have actually been here in existence for a long time. So, the first thing you might want to do is you create an account here. You might actually want to create an account with this Google, right? So if you have a Google account, you just create your account using Google, or just put in your email address, your username, and password. Okay. So I already have my own created just right now. I set a time recording this video just to show you guys how it works. So this is it right here. I'm just gonna put in. Okay, I'm just gonna put in my email. Let's say I don't really have an account right now. So you're just gonna put in, for example, you didn't really have an account, you just put in your email address, you put in your email address over there, you put in your username, right? And put in the password. And once you're done with that, you just tap on this one here, you just tick it, and then you tap and join. But if you want to create an account with Google, you can go and create it with Google. It's absolutely up to you. All right, now I'm just gonna log into my account right now and then show you guys a very quick review on Rewards1. Okay, so I'm just gonna make it very brief but detailed. I want you guys paying close attention, and don't forget, if you've got questions, you can always drop your questions in the description below. Okay, I'll be there to always respond to you guys. All right, guys. So right here on my screen, as you can see, I already created an account just 2 minutes before recording this video, so I can show you guys what's up. Right here, you can see that Rewards1. We've got a whole lot of mention about you can earn. Here we've got the survey partners, we've got daily surveys, we've got offers, we've got offer partners, we've got refer us, like you can actually refer your you can actually refer Rewards1 to your friends, and you get paid commissions for life, right? So percentages you get paid, right? You can also earn through the daily pool. So we're just gonna tap on this one first so we can see what's up with it, right? So here we have the survey partners. So this is what we have here. Now the survey partners, we have CPX. You guys know about CPX, right? If you really want to work on surveys here on the platform, you might want to try CPX out. They are good. They have high paying surveys. We've got your survey too. Your survey also here. They got good paying high surveys on here. So you might want to try them out too. All right. So here we've got opinion network right here, as you can see. We've got theorem research, we've got cherries, we've got beat labs, we've got say so rewards, we've got Payland, we've got Imperial, we've got Innovate, we've got InBrain, and you can see here we've got Catalyst right research. Okay, so you might want to try them out, guys. They are good. They are good. I would recommend you try them out. All right, so here let's go in and check out the daily series also. Let's see what the daily service has for us, guys. So this is how it looks like, guys. So you might want to try any of these ones out, and they are good. The Nata is good. Simplicio also is cool. All right, guys, you might want to try it out. Okay, so let's go and check the other ones. Checking the other ones right here. We've got the offers. Here on the offers, guys, you can see right here, you just complete some offers and you get paid, right? You can see right here. Here he says puzzle androids. This one here, you have this ones here, so you can actually work on Rewards1 here on the website, or you just make use of your Android phone, your mobile phone, anyone you got, iPhone, Android, anyone you got, and sure you would do this. So Rewards1 has an application that you can actually make use of, or you just make use of the browser, right? So it all depends on what you want. All right, so right here we have you earning via videos. Okay, right here it says no match offer available at the moment, right? So Rewards1, you can actually join Rewards1 from anywhere around the world, right? So your earnings actually depends on the country you're from. Okay, it depends on the country you're from, right? I always say this: wherever you're from, surveys actually checks the researchers in that country, and if the total number of researchers in their country are large enough to give you what you want, I mean, high paying surveys from their country, then definitely you would get paid high. Okay, so earnings actually depends on the country, right? All right, guys. So moving on, right here we've got offer partners, right? We've got awful partners. We've got awful partners. Okay, so let's see what awful partners has for us. So here you can work on this one here. We've got ad gates. We've got revenue reverse universe. We've got Taurus. So you can actually work in anyone right here. We've got Litably, guys. Litably is cool, guys. I really make use of this platform, this awful wall a lot, and one that I make use of this a lot, right? You can actually try any of them. Any of them right here, they're good. Any of them you want to work with, they are absolutely good, guys. So this is how it looks like inside of Rewards1, guys. So let's see. Okay, let's just try one of the platforms. Let's try this one out. See what's up. Let's try this one out to see what's up. It should give you something pretty cool, right? So what's the way in? So let's see what's going on. So here, okay, you can see, guys, because I actually just created an account, and it's asking me for the device I want to make use of. Can you see the icon right here down below? It's saying, do I want to make use of an Apple or an Android, right? So if you're making use of your Android phone, you pick this one here. And you're making use of your iPhone, you pick this one here, right? The iPhone icon in the Android icon. So that's what you pick, all right? So right here, I'm just having a review showing you guys the inside look of uh Rewards1, so you guys can actually know what you're doing, right? So right here you can see 900 points, right? 900 points, right? 965 points. Here you just literally you just download the application if you have making use of the app. Download the application, just complete the tasks and actually really demanded from you, right? So it's as easy as that. So once you complete it, everything gets synchronized and you'll be redirected back here on this offer wall, and then you get paid. So as easy as that, that's how it is, right? So guys, let's move on to see what we have next on here. Okay, so all right, so I would never forget this one, right? Because I know a lot of you guys want to know, how do we get paid? Like, how do you get paid? So here we have this one here. How you get paid is you just go to the rewards, the redeem here, like I already did here. You see, okay, rewards right here. So you tapping in, and now we have a lot of means here. They got lots of means to get paid, right? So looking at this one here, you can see you can get paid in Amazon gift cards. You get paid Amazon gift cards, right? If you wanna, so you get paid all the gift cards too. They have all the variable gift cards you can actually pay. They can actually pay you with right here. So you can see it, a whole lot of them right here, guys. A whole lot. Rewards1 is cool, guys. Don't worry, I'm gonna show you guys something. I know a whole lot of you guys want to see this. Most of you guys have been asking me some questions about that, but don't worry, I'm gonna tell you at the end of the video, right? So just pay close attention and watch as I show you this, guys. So this is it right here. So you can actually redeem using the game code. You can see the game code right here. So those of you guys playing games that you actually want to redeem your funds into, we've got Steam right here. We've got Minecraft. Yeah, cool offers, guys. Cool offers, guys. So we've got PayPal money. If you want to get paid in PayPal, okay, let's just check the amount that you get paid, because I know most of you guys love the PayPal options, right? So listen right here. Look at it right here, guys. So 500 points actually is equivalent to $5. Okay, 500 points is equivalent to $5. 100 points is equivalent to $1. Okay, as you can see right here on PayPal, it says any amount underneath 500 points will incur a fee. Okay, so if you are actually withdrawing $1, definitely you get charged a fee for it. Okay, something little for it. So what is best, if you don't want to extract any fees to it, you just go and withdrawing with the $5 right here, as you can see, right? And that's it. You put in your PayPal email, and yeah, that's how it is, right? Great one. So moving on, let's see what we have here. Okay, so You can withdraw paper money, like I already say, entertainment, whatever you have that you actually feel that you can actually make yourself, that is actually available to you. You can use it. You got Visa, a virtual Visa. Okay, that's the card, right? You can make use of the card if you wanna, and then this is it, guys. This is it, guys. Most of you guys are looking forward to withdrawals and cryptocurrencies, guys. These guys have it. They have it, guys. They have it here. Can you see Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum? Yeah, you can actually withdraw in this cryptocurrencies, any one of the of your choice that you actually want to withdraw in. Most of the withdrawals I actually made previously for my own account. Actually, I made use of Litecoin. It was good. It has been good, guys. So if this is the kind of videos that you're looking forward to, please subscribe. Please subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you always get notified on every update I post. Because I always post regularly, guys. Please just subscribe. Thank you for that. Thank you. And share to your friends. Share to your friends. Don't forget to drop your questions, inquiries in the descriptions, guys. I will always be there to support you guys. Okay. All right, guys. Moving on. Now, this is it, guys. When you first of all create the account, before you go on checking out the offers, you need to do this. I always tell you guys this. You have to set up your profile. Okay. Make sure your profile is in order. So you come here where you have account. Come here where you have account, and then this is what you gotta do, guys. Here, this is what you gotta do. Just put in your first name, last name, gender, date of birth, street, city, state, zip code, your PayPal email, Coinbase. That's for the cryptocurrency withdrawals, right? So any of this here, the game for points, if you got it, you just take it up. Can you see, guys? All being easy and simplified, right? So remember, guys, whenever you work in a service, you need to have a very good profile set up for yourself. All right. And you need to be consistent. You need to be consistent. Don't go on doing this and then later on you're saying that. For example, they tell you or they ask you, where do you work? And you be like, okay, I work in uh the financial service, or maybe you work in the bank, right? Yeah, great. Okay, now you tell them that you work in the bank, and then later on they ask you the question, okay, whether you work, and then you tell them you work in an IT company. Guys, come on, that's not how to be consistent. You need to know where you work. You need to stay on something. You need to be consistent, and that's how you get it done. Because if you start jumping from here, if you start saying you work here, you work there, and you're not being consistent, definitely you're gonna spoil, or you're gonna take off your profile information to the other level. I mean, it's not the system is not really gonna give you the targeted surveys needed for your profile. All right, and so that's why they always tell you. That's why they always ask you to put in informations that are for you. I mean, put in consistent informations, and that's how you get your survey to the next level. All right, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Please subscribe, like I already said. If you enjoy my informations, thank you so much. I really do appreciate this, guys. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye for now.